What does it mean to imagine futures not as escape, not as fantasy, but as a way of thinking, a way of living, a way of asking better questions about the world we're already in? On Saturday, February 21st, the Writing and Critical Inquiry program invites the UAlbany community, faculty, staff, and students to gather in the campus center for a full day of listening, making, and imagining otherwise. Black speculative work isn't confined to science fiction. It lives in memory, in illustration, in poetry, in sound, movement, and story. It lives wherever Black people have dared to imagine themselves beyond the limits placed on them. This year's African American Read-In invites us to explore speculative thought broadly, as creative practice, as intellectual inquiry, and as a tradition rooted in Black history, culture, and survival. The day opens with a grounding talk by Charise Moore, who sets the tone for Afrofuturism as both cultural practice and critical framework, a way of thinking that centers Black women's futurity, creativity, and resistance. Later in the day, Marcus Kwame Anderson challenges us to broaden what we think of as the speculative. Drawing from illustrated narrative, history, and lived experiences through his work, Big Jim and the White Boy, he shows how visual storytelling and memory function as speculative practice in their own right. Participants are also invited to move from listening to making through hands-on workshops, including Afrofuturist zine making with Charise Moore and Afrofuturist poetics and liberation with Colin, where writing, voice, and imagination become tools for collective freedom. Throughout the day, we'll gather for communal reading, short Afrofuturist film screenings, and facilitated conversation, creating space to think together about what futures we inherit and what futures we still have the power to shape. The day culminates in an evening showcase celebrating the creative work of the UAlbany community, readings, performance, sound, and visual storytelling that reflect the many ways Black speculative futures are already being imagined on this campus. This is not a conference, it's a gathering, a space to learn across difference, to witness student creativity, and to honor imagination as a serious and necessary form of knowledge. Whether you can join us for an hour or for the full day, we invite you to be part of a shared journey from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. on Saturday, February 21st in the campus center. Come imagine with us. The future is already speaking.